Another Shams joint.
Kia ora, my name is Idol Essence. I'm an MC/lyricist from South Auckland, Manirewa, and you are watching my Ka Mua Ka Muri.
Another Shams joint.
Sham stepping in hotter this year.
Kicked in the full gear for the next premiere. Some people think I need to switch my persona, be more on the humble. Nah, I'm gonna own the shit that I dropped in the years gone by. Kept my head high when shit was running dry. Cause you know that it must never conclude. So I step with my crew and rep the next move. Do what we can, cause that's who we be. I'm quick to kick a freestyle, as quick as I'm to breathe. Now tell me, why should I stop in my track? Hold myself back, cause I'm where you're not at. Heads get filled with nothing but hate. While they procrastinate, I won't hesitate. Going at my own pace. So please tell me why I have to cut myself down just for you to fly. Cause I'm just doing me. I'm just doing what I love the most. And I know hate is free. But tell me why you gotta step on my toes. Spilling out your throat, no wonder. That's why you wanna see me under. Yeah, I know it's hard, but don't come at me, I'm just a rap star.
I'm tired of making myself miniature. Suckers running dry out of ideas, so they look to me to replenish them. See, you really wanna diminish my ambition, no, cause you couldn't get the shit that I'm winning and couldn't see the vision. And if you're down a ride, that's sweet, it should be sweet. Last thing that I need is another cat saying it should be me. Don't need to hate, come take from my plate. Feast on my table, just don't be a traitor and kill a brother like King did Abel. Over some silly shit, humility so engraved in our culture. When I started to rise, the fall is what they hope for. Sad to witness those sith laws from a distance that thought never to mix with those who've had zero missed hits. Couldn't lower my worth with your idle threats. Never slow on my work till I make as much as your idol gets. As Idol Essence, case you didn't know me, bro. My self-esteem was low, but now I got that braggadocio.
And I'm just doing me. I'm just doing what I love the most. And I know hate is free. But tell me why you gotta step on my toes. Spilling out your throat, no wonder. That's why you wanna see me under. Yeah, I know it's hard,
but don't come at me, G. I'm just a rap star. How I would describe my style would be just very uncomfortable to comfortable ears. Very like rugged and straightforward. It's very mental health based. I love to just get into those zones where all those subjects where people haven't gotten into before. Like I plan on writing music about like generational curses and like just things that usually get swept under the rug. I guess it's important to me because what if my kid goes through the exact same stuff that I did and then there's no song or there's no form of poetry that relates to what my kid's going through, and then they're just gonna have to suffer through that alone. The element of hip-hop gives me that sort of freedom to speak my mind. Also given me that curiosity to take me back to the things that are most important that give my life more value, like family and like the connections and yeah. Fly boy, send it down from the heavens. I can tell you something special, baby, from the way that you talk to your presence. Are you an angel here to send a message? Save me from all of these devils. They tryna get up on my temple, baby. Really f***ing my temper, baby, cause I sent from Hades. Lately I'm acting crazy, lame dudes. I tell them move, hit snoops. They been undoing my scoops. Tired of losers that always be acting a fool. That's why I fixate on you, cause you're speaking on truth and spitting this smooth. Snakes tempting me to bite on the fruit, but you keep me set to make it easy to chew. Thinking of you as I write, could you be the light of my life? You stuck in my head like lights, and you're hot when you spit on the mic. Baby, will you be my ride or die? Don't do me like the Lala. I wrote you a poem, I'm trying to show you, cause I'm afraid you're not the kind of guy. I'm hoping you'll receive it though, baddest that I've ever seen before. Might confess my feelings after the show. I want your company, don't need your though. No, we ain't gotta rush it, baby, take it slow. You know if you rollin' with me, you ain't gotta stress no more. I like the way you do that, the way you do it. I might let you keep it, but don't you lose that. My love, I'll hold you to that, but don't misuse it. My life, I'll let you in that, but don't you leave it. I like the way that you run and rap. I like when waiting with double batch. Forget my ex, man, I'm done with trash. Whatever I'm giving you, double that. match up your energy. Thank the Lord that you was meant for me. Stand on 100 like centipedes. I like you from not to infinity. Yeah. Don't you worry about who's talking. These dogs got no bite, they just barking. By your side like parallel parking. I search for you in each room that I walk in. It's better with you in my future. Like your favorite sweater, you know I suit you. Guarantee I'm better. No one's laying hands on your pretty babe. We beat a fucking Mary Jane. Sweeter than hot chocolate candy cane. Haters send them out on their merry way. They hate how you're full of passion, not the fames. That's what I'm loving about you. I'm seeing how you write a verse. Way that you fell in love with all my quirks. How you get up and dust up all the dirt. And that's why you worth it.
The way you do that, the way you do it, I let you keep it, but don't you lose that. My love, I'll hold you to that, but don't misuse it. My life, I'll let you in that, but don't you leave it.
Damn Native would have been like the first Māori to come out unapologetically Māori, eh? And I think when I first heard about him and I saw his video clip, I was like just in shock, eh? I thought I was gonna be the first, but it was already like done. And like, I was like, oh, bruh, this dude is a go, man. Like, the way he's just not sorry for who he is. Who calls himself damn Native as well? Like, that's like, it's like taking the insult that's been given to you your whole life and using it as like a powerful weapon sort of thing. Like, yeah, the power of that man. I've got to say, like, hands down, like, FOS are still, they're a hidden gem, eh? I feel like they're still preserving the culture. Like the bro North City Rizzy, he's just always an encouraging voice. Like, he's one of the dopest and sickest MCs, but he's also one of the most genuine humans ever. And like, the humility of that man is amazing, eh? Yeah, he's dope. Man, it's just all the mentors and like the leaders that are around me, eh? Like, it has to be like Navi, Spewer, Pat, who was also here that you interviewed, that was dope. And so many other sick artists that I reside beside because they keep me going, man. Yeah. But we gotta be placed in a box. Our voice is something they're trying to gatekeep. Now we're resorting to breaking the locks. You know they ain't trying to give everybody the same keys. Cause of that we facing the cops. Upper class ain't suffer with the same thing. Discrimination, we take it a lot. Boys to be chased by an op, never to be raised by a pop. Face it, it's real tasteless. They all shameless, kind of at his faces and not. That's why they gotta hold heat while they sell dirt cheap, thinking they're escaping the plot. But they really just a victim, underneath the system. We're waiting for the day that we rot, that takes everything that we got. Hunting another brother down so they can waste a couple shots. Let them know to quit hating on the South, cause the South got something to say.
Got something to say.
And please keep the name out your mouth, you ain't doing no good when you hate.
No good when you hate.
And telling me about that Drake, they try to do us like death row.
Death row, death row.
Better act like you already know, act like you already know. Yeah, let them know to quit hating on the South, cause the South got something to say.
South got something to say.
Please keep the name out your mouth, you ain't doing no good when you
doing no good when you hate.
And telling me about that Dre, if they try to do us like death row.
Death row, death row.
Better act like you already know, act like you already know. Yeah. Now don't believe the hype and the stereotypes of what they say upon the news. Thinking what they gotta say is true by minorities with minimal rights, but they don't really have a clue. They ain't got a first-hand view of what it's like to be living a life way at the back of the queue. Giving just scraps to the food, feeding us crumbs like pulling us bombs, but people's what they plant is a beaut. I'm just trying to make a shift to the culture. This rapping ain't for me to get rich and blow up. It's deeper than that. I see the attack. I see my people losing their track. They need them a map. Look, like Papa Tour in the crew, I'ma get the land shook. It's going down in the books. My forefathers' stories were wiped by the colonizer type. I'm
back everything they took. Come on.
Let them know to quit hating on the South, cause the South got something to say.
Got something to say.
Please get the name out your mouth, you ain't doing no good when you hate.
No good when you hate.
Tell them we about that Dre, if they try to do us like death row.
Death row, death row.
Act like you already know, act like you already know. Yeah, let them know to quit hating on the South, cause the South got something to say.
South got something to say.
Please keep the name out your mouth, you ain't doing no good when you hate.
No good when you hate.
And tell them we about that Dre, if they try to do us like death row.
Try to do us like death row.
Act like you already what?
Act like you already know.
Yes.
But it's like this though. I'm tired of folks, you know what I'm saying? Them closed-minded folks, you know what I'm saying? It's like we got a demo tape and nobody want to hear it, but it's like this, the South got something to say. That's all I got to say.
There's sort of an energy that Indigenous people have, because whether or not we accept it, our existence is political regardless. My hope for Māori artists in Taamaki for the future would be that they remember those that opened the doors for them, but also be less fearful to claim where you are from. There will be a lot of places where you are told that you can't go in there or you can't do and say that, but those artists, hopefully myself, is gonna do and say the things that will have boundaries. Yeah, just lack boundaries. Well, not in terms of like moral sense, but in terms of like artistry, sound scope. Yeah, all of that jazz.